How to get current CPU and RAM usage in Python. How can I get the current system status, current CPU, RAM, free disk space, etc. in Python? Ideally, it would work for both Unix and Windows platforms. There seems to be a few possible ways of extracting that from my search. Using a library such as Psi, that currently seems not actively developed and not supported on multiple platforms, or something like PyStatGrab, again no activity since 2007 it seems, and no support for Windows. Using platform-specific code such as using a os.popen, ps, or similar for the *nix systems and memory status in ctypes.windle.kernel32, see this recipe on ActiveState, for the Windows platform. One could put a Python class together with all those code snippets. It's not that those methods are bad, but is there already a well-supported, multi-platform way of doing the same thing?
The Sutol library gives you information about CPU, RAM, etc. on a variety of platforms. Sutol is a module providing an interface for retrieving information on running processes and system utilization, CPU, memory, in a portable way by using Python, implementing many functionalities offered by tools like PS, Top, and Windows Task Manager. It currently supports Linux, Windows, OS X, Sun Solaris, FreeBSD, OpenBSD, and NetBSD, both 32-bit and 64-bit architectures, with Python versions from 2.6 to 3.5. Users of Python 2.4 and 2.5 may use 2.1.3 version. Some examples. Here's other documentation that provides more concepts and interest concepts. This URL.
Use the Sutol library. On Ubuntu 18.04, pip installed 5.5.0, latest version, as of January 30th, 2019. Older versions may behave somewhat differently. You can check your version of Sutol by doing this in Python. To get some memory and CPU stats. The virtual_memory, tuple, will have the % memory use system-wide. This seemed to be overestimated by a few % for me on Ubuntu 18.04. You can also get the memory used by the current Python instance. Which gives the current memory use of your Python script. There are some more in-depth examples on the PyPI page for Sutol.
Below codes, without external libraries worked for me. I tested at Python 2.7.9. CPU usage. And RAM usage, total, used in free.
Only for Linux. One-liner for the RAM usage with only stlib dependency.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.